If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain Dollar Tree mirror into this lovely Decor housewarming gift, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be just simply adding a few glittery UV resin letters to this Dollar Tree mirror. This is so simple, but it's going to be so cute. And the great thing about this is it's extremely beginner friendly. You can literally use any different type of color glitter that you'd like to use. And if you don't want a sparklier look, you can always add some mica powder or some alcohol inks to your UV resin. So my good friend, her name is Marcia. So the letters that I'm using is M-A-R-C-I-A. Now I would suggest if you have a friend that has a longer name, I'm not sure how that's going to work out because 6 letters were like just right across this 8x10 mirror. Remember, it doesn't have to be a name. It can be a message. It can be another word to describe the person. You can really get creative with it. Or you can do 2 lines. It could be 2 words. So it's completely up to you. Of course, you can always do permanent sign vinyl. If you do it that way, of course, you can add a longer message or a longer name. And then you could add rhinestones to that. I've done something like that in the past. But I just thought it'd be really cute just to have like a more 3D effect look by adding the letters onto the mirror. Just be sure to make sure everything cures on both sides really good. I think some of these came out just a little sticky, so I just had to flip them over and make sure that they were fully cured. Once everything is fully cured and you have the correct letters that you want, you'll be good to go. That letter A didn't turn out right. It was something off about it, so I did end up remaking the letter A off camera. Okay, so I'm pretty much just trying to arrange the letters and just see how I want them to lay onto the mirror. I want them to be as straight as possible, you know, because once you go ahead and add the UV resin on the back, which is what I'm going to do, or you could use E6000 or however you feel comfortable. I was trying to like see how it would look if I staggered the letters, but I think it just looks better straight across. Okay, so at this point I was just trying to make sure everything was straight. I am going to use a thicker UV resin. Well, this is actually a UV 3D nail glue. So this is for people who like to do nails and put the 3D decorations on. It's very, very thick. This is from Amazon as well. I think the company is called Model Ones is the one that I'm using. Yeah, it says Model Ones. This little bitty bottle is $10. But it works very well for some reason, and it's just so thick. So when I sit this on, it's not gonna just slide. It's gonna kind of just lock in place because of the consistency of it. So I like to use this when I don't want things to slide so quickly. If you smudge any glue on the mirror, just wipe it off because you do not want that to cure on there because it'll leave like a lump and you won't be able to scrape it off. So just make sure that you wipe it off and let it cure. Okay, here is the final finished result of this DIY. This is very simple. It came out really cute. My friend, she really liked it. This is something that I was thinking maybe she could put on her nightstand, maybe in her bathroom, or if you work in an office setting, this would be cute to have on your desk. There's many different places you could put something like this, maybe even on the wall. But I hope that you did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And this would be cute maybe if you had an even bigger mirror and you wanted to add something to it. But if not, remember, if you have more than 6 letters in your name, you have to have a bigger space of a mirror to put the letters on. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, or share it on Facebook, or send it to someone for inspiration. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury-inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.